seats over there. Seats over there. Okay, good. There's seats, yes. Seats there around the back sides. Back sides. Hello, 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 hello. There's seats over here as well. If you're looking for seats, there's seats over here, on the other side, over here. And there's some seats over here, and these seats. Seats over here, some seats over here. Okay, is this everyone? Okay, all right, so we're getting started now, here. So class leader. Yes. Aaron? Okay. Yeah, and good afternoon. Good, one more time, and good. All right, good. You can turn back around this way, back around, good. And raise your hands, good. And just so you know, today, to remind you, over here, this table will be table A. Over here, table B. Over here, table C. Over there, table D. Table E. Table F, and back over there in the corner, table G. Very good. All right, and giving points here, raising hand. Group A, 1, 2, 3. Group B, 1, 2, 3. Group C, 1, 2, 3. Group D, 1, 2, 3. Group E, 1, 2, 3. Group F, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and listen. Good. Quiet. Good. Excellent. Everybody's paying attention, being quiet. Good. And today we're learning about different kinds of endangered animals. And these are some really, really simple ones we can try to guess here. All right, so raise your hands here. What goes meow? Cat. Yes, we have a cat. Yeah, these are really, really easy. And another one we have, what is this one?
Fish.
We have fish. Yes, easy one. Good. Another, raise your hands here. Roar. Tiger. But in Taiwan, do we have a tiger? Well, is there lions in Taiwan? Well, leopard cat's a smaller one. Yes, a bigger one. We have a bear. Bear. Good. And these different creatures we have to take care of. So you can raise your hands here, and you have to pretend like you're looking. And some of these animals are very hard to find. There's very few of them. So the key word we have here is endangered. Endangered. They're endangered. Good. And the opposite of this, you can raise your hands here, and making an X on your chest. We have this. We have extinct. So we have endangered. Extinct. And extinct means animals like dinosaurs. There's no more of them. So endangered. Extinct. Good. So raise your hands. You're going to listen. I'll say it. I'll see if you can do it. I give points over here to your table. All right, Mr. Gregg says cat. Meow. Yes, easy. Yes, so easy. The cat. Everybody get the cat easy. 3 for everybody there. All right, and then we have bear. Rawr. Yes, rawr. Good, Anson. Good job with the bear over there. Anson. Well, no, you see. This over here. Good job. 2, 1. Good. All right, good. And then the last one we have, next two we have endangered. Yes, looking there in the middle. Good job. Yes, looking. Yes, endangered. Yes, endangered there. Endangered creatures. Yes. And the opposite of endangered that we have to be very concerned about, we have extinct. Yes, good. We have extinct. Good. We don't want to have animals becoming extinct. It's important to protect them. So raise your hands. Good. Listen. Very good. Raise your hand. All right, put your hand down. Sit down, please. Good. Yes. And we're talking about action for protection today in Unit 2. Last week, we started learning about different environmental situations that we're having currently. And we're talking about endangered species today and how we can take care of to protect different creatures like the Formosan salmon, which is an important creature in Taiwan that we have very few of, and they are becoming endangered. And we're going to be looking at different endangered species. We have endangered species that are found in Taiwan. Yes, in Taiwan. Different endangered species were found in Taiwan. And these different endangered species can be found at specific places around Taiwan here. We have national parks. And different national parks here, like for example, we have Yangmingshan and Shuiba, which is found here in the center, and Taroko. And then Yushan and Taijiang. Oh yeah, off of the coast there of Tainan. Yes, and Kending. And then out on the smaller outlying islands on Kinmen and Penghu and then Dongsha. Yeah, Dongsha. Yeah, we have these national parks, these key national parks to help protect creatures and the environment here in Taiwan. And we have some specific animals we're going to be going around and discovering today at these different parks here. Now, who knows? Anyone know what animal is this? Anyone know yet? Yes? Yes, good, Ruru. Yeah, yes, we have the Formosan salmon. Good job, Ruru. Yes, good job. Yes, the Formosan salmon. And another one we have here. Anyone know what this one is? Can you raise your hand? Anyone know what this one is? It's that cat. Yes. Jagger? Yeah, it looks like a tiger, and it's the leopard cat. Yeah, it's very small. It's just a cat. It's not very big. It's just a cat. So it's a little different than a tiger. And then we have this creature. Anyone know this one? A little bit harder. Yes, this one is the pangolin. The pangolin. It's the pangolin. And another creature we have here, you know this one? Yes, Anson? Well, not Formosa, but it's the green sea turtle. That's good though, good answer though, good try, yes. And another one we have here, Yeah, so we know it's an otter. And it's a river otter. A river otter. And this one, what's this one? What's it look like? Looks like a reindeer. Or maybe like a goat. It's the suro. A suro. Yes, the suro. And this one we have here. Yes. Yeah, it's a kind of bird. It has a very big bill on its face. It's a spoonbill. And the name of it is the black-faced spoonbill. That's what they call it. Yes. And then we have this one. Yes, Joy? Yeah, the Taiwan black, but they use the term Formosan. Yeah, the Formosan black bear. Good. We're going to go around to some different stations here, and we're going to be using Nearpod. And the iPads to go around to some different stations to find out where some of these creatures can be found. And I'm going to set up the stations here. We have the different national parks. And we have Shuiba. And Shuiba is going to be over here at Station 1, over here. And what's on the back? We have a what? QR code here, number one. And the next one we have is Maoli. Now, Maoli County is very close to where Shuiba is, and it's the outside area there. And we have a QR code. Yes, a QR code here. And then we have Taroko. And on the back we have the QR code. So these three will be here. And the next one we have Kending. Kending, and a QR code over here. Good. Then we have Taijiang. Yes, near Tainan. And we have a QR code. Good. And over here we have Taidong. Yeah, Taidong County, near Yushan. And we have a QR code here. And I have two more here. And we have Yushan. Yushan will be back over here on this table, and a QR code. And I have one more here. It gets through here. Last one we have is Kinmen. On Kinmen Island, which will be over here on this main table over here. And on the back we have a QR code. Great. And we're going to go around and use the iPads. And in the top corner here, you can pull down here in the corner, and we have our QR code scanner. And we scan the QR code on the back. We're going to discover our endangered animals that can be found at different places here. And what animal do we have here? Waiting here? What animal? River. Yeah, we have the river otter. So now, to record what animals we can find at each location, we're going to use Nearpod. And we go into Nearpod here, we're going to use our digital worksheets that we have here. Yes, the digital worksheets. And we're going to have to type in on our digital worksheets the different names of the animals after we scan them. And remember, clicking on this button here to add text. So we have the river otter. You can find the river otter number 5 and then type it in here on the line here. And then use the marker here to check off the box after you've discovered the animal, after you've had the animal. And I'll have each group go around with one iPad. So now I'm going to have the leaders to review here. And when we go to log in today on Nearpod, go log in on Nearpod, to remind you how to log in on Nearpod. Yes, if you forgot, first we have to put in the Nearpod code. And the code here today is VN4KS. VN, it'll be written over here, 4KS is the code, And then after we put in the code, second, we're going to have the login screen, as we've used before many times, but help everybody remember. We have to put in your group name, so you have the table name, which is the group number. So group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, group 5, group 6, and group 7 back over there for your group name. And then you have to put in your student numbers here, student numbers in space, so I know who is in your group, once we get logged in, Now I'm going to have the leaders for each group. Cheryl for group 1, come on up to get an iPad. And then Ruru for group 2, come and get an iPad, come now. Grab one, good, and log into Nearpod. All right, good, and then group 3, Elizabeth, come on up, Elizabeth, here. Good, Elizabeth, good, and then over there, yes, Joy, come on up, Joy. Group 4. And the next group, okay, we had Jacob with group 5, and then, okay, and then Sophia, group 6, and then Aaron for group 7, come on up to get an iPad, and get logged in with your groups. Good, oh, yes, remember to put the code in, good, and then your group names and the numbers, and we'll get signed in. Everything going okay? Okay, good. Group 5, okay, good. A little bit of feedback. Okay. Getting signed in? Okay, good. As it folds that way? Okay, good. All right, good. Ready? Okay, don't log out, just wait. It'll load up. All right, good. Wait for everybody to get logged in. Let me switch over to Nearpod there. And switch over here. All right, good. And almost all the groups are logged in. Group 1, Group 3, Group 4, Group 5, Group 7, Group 6. 6 coming along. Okay, good. Sign in there. Group 6, okay. All right, good. Loading in. All right, good. Good. All right, good. All the groups are almost logged in. All right, good. Now I'm going to have each group go to one of the different national parks here. All right, so group 1 can stand up, bring your iPad, and go to Shreba. Group 1, Shreba. Group 2, Mauli County. Group 3, Taroko. Group 3, Taroko. Group 4, Kending. Group 4, go to Kending. Group 5, Taichung. Group 6, Taidong. And group 7, you guys can come over here to, yes, Yushan. Good, and remember, that's listen. And remember, I'll say listen, and I'll count down in 10 seconds after giving you about a minute and 30 seconds, and then we'll change and have to go to the next station. Okay? So are you ready to start? Ready? All right, let's start now. Okay, start now. 3, 2, 1. All right, let's go. Scan the QR codes. And we'll find the words and type them in. Yes, good. All right, good. Coming along, good. Got the sea turtle there, good. Yes, good. Working together, good. Get the letters, good. The words, all right, go. We have another. Ooh. Already about 30 seconds in. Another minute, one more minute before we change. Oh. Okay, a little more space. Yes. All right, good. Another 10. Okay. Another 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Very good. Very good. All right, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's listen. All right, now change and go to the next station. Group 7, come over here. Go to the next station. Clockwise. Let's go to the next station. Go to the next station. Yes, there might be one empty. It's okay because there's 7 groups. There's 8, so it's okay if there's one empty. It's okay. Checking the time. Okay. Goes kind of quickly now. Getting faster. All right, we have about one more minute here. Progress is coming along on the board. Looks okay. Good. River otter, good. Getting the river otter, good. Checking here. Good, good, good. Excellent, good, good, excellent, good. Good, pangolin, good, good. Good, blackface moonbill, good, good. Good, okay? Yes, you have to go to the next one there. All right, good. Another, okay, let's listen. Listen. All right, it's time to change and go to the next station. Already time to change to the next station? Didn't get a chance to count down, but go to the next station. Go to the next station. It's already been a minute and a half. I'll have to speed it up a little bit, another 30 seconds or so, another 30 seconds. I think you can do it quickly. You guys are pretty fast. Yes, enough time. See the time. Good, good, good. All right, a little bit. Speed it up just a little bit. All right, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, listen. All right, change and go to the next station. Change and go to the next station. Change and go to the next station. Oh, time is going by very quickly. Oh, another 30 seconds or so. Very fast. Good job. Doing excellent, though. Excellent. You're doing excellent. Progress too. Good, good, good. 3, 3. Okay, good. Very good. Very good. All right, good. Another 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's listen. All right, change and go to the next station. Change and go to the next station. Good, good. Good. Going on? Okay, good. Good, okay. Okay, good. Well, last few there. I'm doing very well. I'm doing very, very well. All right, good. Time, all right. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change and go to the next station. 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 Good. One open there. Okay, good. Another minute or so. We only have how many left? Doing well. Okay. Not much time. All right, good. All right, and 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, change and go to the next station. Change and go to the next station. Change and go to the next station. Do that 20 seconds. Another 30 seconds or so. I go in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change and go to the next station. Change and go to the next station. Change and go to the next station. Uh-oh. Microphone. I could add another. 2 more. Okay. I'm going to change here very soon. Another 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change and go to the next station. Change and go to the next station. Go ahead. Finished? Okay, if you're finished, press the blue button and go sit down. Yes, some people might be finished. If you're finished, press the blue button and go sit down. Yes. There's a few who are not finished. Almost everybody should be finished. It might be a little slow on the screen there. If you're finished, press the blue button and go sit down. Good, good. Should be finished. Good, excellent. Good job. If you're finished, press the blue button and go sit down. Good. If you're finished, press the blue button and go sit down. Great job there. Good. Make sure you press the blue button if you're finished and go sit down so I can submit it. And I can check the worksheets later. I can check your worksheets later. Make sure you press the blue button. Press the blue button. Press the blue button, Howie. Down here, press the blue button. Good. Make sure you submit it by pressing the blue button. Group 6. Press the blue button. Sophia, press the blue button down in the corner, the blue button in the corner, and submit. And group 7, press the blue button. Rebecca, can you press the blue button and submit? All right, good. It might be a little slow to change up here. Good. All right, so now going back over those different, finding in all those different animals we have with all the different endangered species we have around Taiwan. Yes, we can find many different endangered creatures, like we had the leopard cat, yes, the Formosan salmon, yes, the suro, and the black bear. And these animals we found are just a few of some of the animals that are endangered here in Taiwan. And we had those different national parks that we could be found out here. And then we had this one. We had the salmon. The Formosan salmon, which can be found at Shui Ba National Park. And then we had the leopard cat, which is outside of Shui Ba there in Maoli County. And then we had the Formosan black bear. The black bear, which can be found in the Central Mountain regions. And then we had, yes, the suro. Yes, which lives in the Central Mountains region, mostly near Yushan National Park. And we have the black-faced spoonbill. Yes, the spoonbill, a bird that nests off the Taichung, the coast in Tainan. And then we had the pangolin. The pangolin, which is an animal that lives outside of Yushan, near Taidong County. And then we had the river otter. And the river otters can be found on Kinmen Island, very close to the mainland. Yes, and we have the green sea turtle. Yes, that they nest in Kending and in Dong Shan Atoll, and the Penghu and the smaller islands off of Penghu. Yes, and looking at all these different creatures, we have to remember that we have to protect these creatures because they're all endangered. There's very few of these creatures, so we have to try to protect them the best we can. Best we can. It's a key thing to remember because they could become like this creature. Anyone know this one? What is this animal? It looks, yeah, it's a leopard. Yes, yes. And it's the cloud leopard. And the cloud leopard was an animal that once lived in Taiwan, but sadly, they're now extinct. They live in other parts of the world, and there's some that are here now you might see at the zoo, but they come from other regions of Asia. Currently in Taiwan, these animals are currently extinct, and we need to try to protect the endangered creatures that we have in Taiwan so they don't become extinct like the cloud leopard, Now, we're going to move on, and we're going to start thinking about what other things we can try to do to try to help the environment here in Taiwan. And we have some situations we're going to take a look at here. And thinking about here, we have a situation here. Now, what do you see in the picture here? Who can tell me? What do you see in the picture? What do you see? Anybody can tell me? This picture might look kind of small. You can look on your screen if you can't see the picture so well. What can you see in the picture? What do you see in the picture? Ruru? Yes, the car hit the leopard cat, and the poor leopard cat's mother is dying. It's a very sad situation, and this is a common problem that is happening in Mali. And you can imagine, after walking home from school, you find a leopard cat cub that's hit by a car. Oh, it's very sad, very, very sad situation. And this is happening frequently in Mali. Now, currently in Mali, they are doing something to try to help leopard cats and these endangered species there. Watch a little video about what they're doing there, Yes, and we're going to answer a question about what we can try to do to help the leopard cat after we watch the video here. So, take a look here and watch the video. Yes, you can see here in Mali County, currently, yes, I'll narrate for it, they're passing new laws and legislation to help protect the environment there. And they're helping to protect the leopard cats that are found there, And what they are planning to do, they're planning on building new roads and changing the roads so they're safer for the leopard cat, so they're not hit by vehicles that are moving by, So they're going to build elevated roads with light systems, and fences, and monitoring systems to help protect these animals and creatures, yes. And pathways for them to go underneath the road so they can cross without being hit. All right, so now, getting back to our question here, and we're going to use, I forgot to set up my own, or I'm going to have to borrow one of yours. All right, we're going to answer a question here. Okay, after walking home from school, you can imagine seeing this situation, and what can we do, or what's something that we can plan or try to do to try to help a leopard cat if we come across this situation. Let me borrow your iPad, and what we're going to do, we're going to use Nearpod again, and I'm going to switch over here to the teacher one here, and when I press start, now it's listen. Now keep your iPad cover closed. You can close the cover of your iPad so you don't need to use it right now. Just close the cover. Good. And for this, what we're going to do, we're going to record an answer. I'll give you a minute to work together. I'll count down a minute, and then I'll let you discuss, and you can try to think of some way we can help the leopard cats, something we can do to help the leopard cats. Either something from the video or your own idea to share here on Nearpod. And we're going to record your answer here. We'll start the activity. It'll count down. Don't have to do it yet. Just listen and watch. And it starts here. It says, let's go. And on your iPad, here's the record button. You read the record button. We can take one answer. You can say, we can build new roads. Then you press the red record button. It'll stop. And press the blue submit button. And then the answer will come up here on the screen. And we should be able to play it and share it. Here, I'll be group 2's coming slowly. There it is. Okay, good. And then we can hear here on the board, the speaker's working. And the record button. There it is. What answer you can say, we can build new roads. You can build new roads. Press the red record button. And it'll be there. Okay. All right, so now I'm going to go back. I'll give you guys a minute here. I'll give you a minute to discuss, or maybe 30 seconds. I'll count down 30 seconds. Because time is getting short. I'll give you 30 seconds to discuss, because time is getting a little bit short. And then you can try to record an answer. Are you ready? Ready? Let's listen. Are you ready? Yes. Okay, ready. I'll give you 30 seconds. All right, start. Now you can discuss first. Talk about what you can say first. Discuss first. Think about what you can say. What can you say? What can you say? Try to say. You have to try to say it in English. If you can, say it in English too. Try to say it in English. Try to say it in English. If you can't, you try to say it in Chinese. It's okay. What can we say? Well, we could take it to the hospital. Yeah, you try to say it in English. Hospital. The hospital. Yes, good. Yeah, you could say that. Good. Sometime. What else can we say? What else can we say? Call for help. Okay, call for help. Okay. Or maybe you can talk about what they can do. People can drive slowly too. You can drive slowly, or they can build new roads. Try to help the animals in other ways too. Yes. Think about more things you could do. Any ideas? Any ideas? Think about what you can do. You could help the animal. It's a little harder. You got to take it to the hospital, or you could drive slowly. We can build new roads. Different ideas. All right, good. Now, all right. That's ideas, okay? Okay. Yes.
Is pet hospital or animal hospital?
We say animal hospital if you want to say it that way. All right, let's listen. I'll give about 30 seconds. Listen. All right, good. Now I'm going to start the recording session, and you can record your answer. Then we'll listen to them on Nearpod. You're starting here in 3, 2, 1. All right, let's go. Okay, good. You can record your answer. Try to record it in English. You can say it in Chinese if you really are struggling, though. Okay. Record it? Okay, already. You're fast. You guys are fast. Okay, good. Really good, Joy. Got an idea? What are you gonna say? We can what?
Call the police and
We might help. We can maybe help. We can build new roads. We can't call the police so much. What else you could maybe do? You could maybe call an animal doctor. Yes, Rebecca. Yes, good, Rebecca. Yes, good. Don't be too shy, Rebecca. Try. All right, good. All right, 4 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, good. Let's listen. All right, good. Now we're going to listen to some answers here. All right, for group 1, let's listen. This one.
build new roads.
They can build new roads. Yes, they're helping out the animals. All right, good. Okay, good. Building new roads will help to help the creatures in the future. Yes. The next one.
We can call 119 or call the police to get the help.
Yeah, you can try to. Yes, it's a good one, but it's a little bit hard to get the police. But good idea. It's a good idea. Don't be too shy, Elizabeth. You did a great answer. You spoke it very well. All right, and group two.
We can build new roads just for animals
Yeah.
and build traffic lights tells people the animal is coming.
Yes, traffic lights warm. Yes, excellent. Good. Excellent. And group four. Yeah, you can take the animal to the animal hospital too if you run into the situation immediately too. That's an excellent idea. All right, so now we have one more situation we're going to do here too. And the next one we have here now on, yes, it's coming there slowly, on Kinmen Island. On Kinmen Island, people are going and throwing garbage near the areas where some river otters are living now. So people have been doing this for a while. And whenever people throw garbage into the water, it can break down and it becomes little pieces of plastic in the water. And we have problems with these very small particles of plastic, which can poison fish, and then it can poison the animals in the area. It can poison people too. So what can we do about garbage that's being thrown in the water near where the river otters are living, Now I'll give you for this one, because we're getting a little bit closer on time here, I'm going to give you, I'll count down, slow count 10, and then you can discuss, and then we'll record, okay? Okay, are you ready? Yeah. Okay, so I'll count down, okay? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, good. Okay, a little bit of discussion there. All right, good. Let's listen. Now, this one should be a little easier. Okay, so I'm going to start the activity and try to record what can we do to help the river otters with the garbage in the water. Okay, ready? Okay, ready? Let's start here. Start on 3, 2, 1. Let's go. What can we do? What can we do? What can we do, Howie? What can we do?
Set up a trash can on the beach.
Yes, yes, good, good. That's a good idea. Excellent. Yes, good, good. That's good. What can we do?
Stop to use plastic bottles.
Yes, yes, yes. Good, good, good. What can we do, Jacob? Okay. Yes, 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 yes. Good, good, good. What can we do, Joy? I'll have to hear the lesson later. Okay, I'll hear the lesson. I'll hear the answer. Sorry. Ben, we can what? Otter. Yeah, the river otter. River otter? And Kinmen Island? Yes. Very good. Only 8 seconds. 8 seconds. Got an answer? Okay. Okay, good. You record? Okay, record. All right, good. Let's listen. Listen. All right, so now let's listen. There's some answers here. Good for group 1 here. Group 1.
Set up a trash can on the beach.
Yeah, you can set up a trash can near the location so it doesn't get thrown there. People throw it in another location and then dispose of it if it's being disposed of too. That's not a bad idea. All right, then group 3.
We can clean the ocean or clean the beach.
Yeah, cleaning the ocean and the beach. There's a location that's close by where the animals are. Yes, good. And then group 2.
We can start to use plastic bottles and don't throw the plastic bottles in the river or sea.
Yes, good. That's another key thing. If we use less plastic or stop using plastic bottles, it would help the system too. It'd be a very, very permanent solution. Good. All right, now when we have one more one here. Now one last situation, one last one here. Now this is one I just saw in the news. All right, stray dogs are becoming a big problem. They are killing off endangered animals because there are wild dogs that are becoming wild, that are going back out. And they're coming and they're dangerously killing some endangered species. This is happening, I heard in the news somewhere in the south. And we have to try to protect these animals. Now, we don't want to kill these dogs, but what can we do to try to help the situation so it doesn't get worse for the endangered animals, okay? All right, so now, I'll give you, skip over that, no time for the video. All right, good. I'll give you 10 seconds to work together. All right, good. Slow count to discuss. All right, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, good. Let's listen. All right, good. Are you ready to record? You have some ideas? Ready? Okay, all right, let's start here now. All right, ready? All right, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Okay. Oh, okay. That's clever. Very clever. Okay. Abel's being very clever there. Okay. Very clever. Very clever. Okay. Try to record it. Okay. Good. Okay. Okay. Got it. Okay. Good. Okay. Good. Good. Okay. Good. Some ideas. Yeah. What can we do? We can catch the dogs. Yes. Maybe catch the dogs and have them take them to another place. Good. Good. What else can we do?
Is cage.
Okay, cage. Yes, put them in the cage. All right, 10 seconds, 10. Cage, yes, cage. C-A-G-E, cage. Okay, good idea, okay. Yeah, well, it's already going to be done. Time's up. All right, good. Let's listen. All right, good. Let's listen to this one here. We have number 1. Okay.
Because I don't want future generations not to see those endangered creatures.
Okay, but what can we do? What can we do though? What can we do? Try to protect them? Protect them? Yeah, try to protect them in some ways from the dogs. Okay. All right, and group 3.
Give it a new home.
Yeah, find a new home for those stray animals. Yes, that's a good idea. Good idea. Good. And then we group two here. Group two.
We don't let our pets stay at the wild too long.
Yes.
If we see the stray dogs fighting with endangered animal, we can call the police.
Yeah, or maybe the animal protection. Yes, animal protection. Yes, yes. Someone to help take care of the situation for the animals so they're not harmed, and try to keep our stray animals under control is a good idea too. All right, so I think that's the bell. Yes, yes, for this. All right, so now we're ending this session. I'm going to end the session now, and the leaders can close the cover to the iPads and bring them up here and put them on the table. The iPads are on the table. Okay, and it's time to go. Yes, I'll give you guys stamps next time. You all did a great job. I'll do the stamps next time. All right, so class leader.